Cook ngayon, sweet and sour chicken. I put a lot of things. Yeah, sugar. I see this one and this one, tomato paste, and this one is sampalok or tamarin, and I add tomato, bell pepper, sugar, and like that only. And tomato, chicken. I deep fry the chicken first, then I take out, then I separate, I set aside, then put it here like this. So now we are slide that. I want to close my fridge kasi nag-sounds. Yan. Tikman natin kung masarap na ba. Pero hindi ko yan luto. I cook this one for 30 minutes pa. This is my sweet sour. Then I add spicy chili from Dubai. This is a chili, oh. Crunchy chili I put. Maanghang na, matamis-tamis pa, at maasim-asim. So I like maanghang. I like chili, spicy. So I put a lot chili. See, a lot chili is very spicy and very nice to eat with the rice. Later I eat with rice this. Like that, then cook very well, then cannot even 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, or 1 week, they still can eat. Put in the fridge, then I eat this one for 1 week. 5 days? Sure, not enough. I'm only eating this kind of food. These ingredients. This is tomato paste with the tamarin. Sampalok sa Bisaya. Tapos ito, itong soya sauce. Ano, nalagay ko dyan. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Salamat. This is NITA DECHOSTV. Ni walang Andina. Don't forget to like, subscribe my this is my masarap na special for me. This kind of sweet and sour. This is my first time to cook here now. In Saudi Arabia, I only eating this. They are not eating like this because I'm only eat this cooking. It's very tasty, but still cooking and cooking and cooking until they are finished. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you very much for your watching. God bless you always and forever.